In this question, you're given that xy is equal to tan xy. You're asked to prove that if this is so, dy by dx has to be equal to minus of y by x. So let us do the direct differentiation and see whether you can prove this result or not. So xy's differentiation is x dy by dx plus y, right? X dy by dx plus y is equal to, what is the differentiation of tan of something? Secant square of something times the differentiation of this something, that is x dy by dx plus y. So this implies if you bring x dy by dx plus y onto one side, x dy by dx plus y times 1 minus secant square xy is equal to 0. So what is 1 minus secant square xy? What is 1 minus secant square xy? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus secant square theta is minus tan square theta. This implies x dy by dx plus y times minus tan square xy is equal to 0. So either this has to be 0 or this has to be 0. So tan square xy is not always 0. This implies dy by dx has to be equal to, this has to be equal to 0. This dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Dy by dx is equal to minus of y by x. Hence proved. This is the result which you need to prove.